In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert YouTube download to uTorrent. Right up front, there's an important clarification. You can't directly convert a YouTube download into uTorrent because they're completely different systems. YouTube stores and streams video files from its own servers, while uTorrent is a peer-to-peer client that shares files across a torrent network. What you can do, though, is take a video file that you legally have the right to share and create a torrent for it using uTorrent. This works for any file you own or have permission to distribute, such as your own recordings or content explicitly licensed for sharing. Always respect local laws, copyright, and platform terms. Start by opening the uTorrent application on your computer. Make sure it's updated so the interface looks similar to what I'm describing. Once it's open, look at the left-hand side of the window and click on the Torrents section. This view helps you manage what's already there and keeps things organized as you add something new. Next, find the option to create a new torrent. Depending on your version, this may appear as a button or under a menu labeled Create New Torrent. Click that to open the creation window. This is where you'll point uTorrent to the content you want to share. In the creation window, you'll see a place to select the source. Since we're working with a single video file saved on your computer, choose the option to add a file. Click Add File, and your system's file picker will open. Navigate to the video you want to share, select it, and click Open. Take a second to confirm you picked the correct file and that its name is clear and recognizable. Good naming helps anyone you legally share the torrent with understand what they're downloading. When everything looks right, click Create. uTorrent will generate a .torrent file and add the entry to your client. By default, uTorrent may begin seeding, which simply means it starts sharing the file with peers who have the matching torrent. Only allow seeding if you have full rights to distribute that content. If you're unsure, pause first and double-check the license or permission. A few tips to avoid headaches: keep the original file in the same location on your computer so uTorrent can always find it. Don't rename or move it after creating the torrent, and make sure your internet connection is stable while seeding. If the interface looks a little different on your system, don't worry. The options are usually in similar places. And that's it. You've opened uTorrent, navigated to torrents, created a new torrent, selected your source, added the file, and finalized it with Create, all while staying within legal and ethical boundaries.